Hi, I'm Maureen Naber, and I'm excited to share our newest solution with you. This is Dish Designer, an AI-powered recipe generator that creates personalized recipes based on your ingredients, taste, and lifestyle. Let me show you how it works. You can add ingredients manually, just search and tap, or take a photo of the ingredients you have at hand. The AI recognizes the ingredients and adds them for you. Dish Designer is not only limited to ingredients. You can enrich your selection ranging from cuisine and taste and even cooking profiles. Do not want something in there? Exclude it. Or do you have ingredients that have to be used before they go bad? You can mark them as must-use. Want to cook Mexican? Do you prefer spicy over sweet? Do you have any dietary needs or disliked ingredients? Dish Designer adapts to you. Your taste, your rules. Some days you're in the mood to cook, other days you just want something quick. Choose how much time you have and how much effort you like to put into the dish, and it will adapt. In just a few seconds, Dish Designer creates exclusive, personalized recipes just for you. Each one's completely unique. Swipe through and find your perfect meal. Are you ready to cook? Send your selected recipe directly to your oven and start preheating with a single tap. So everything's ready when you are. For the finishing touch, Dish Designer checks your wine cabinet so you can find the ideal pairing to complement your recipe. Every recipe Dish Designer creates is one of a kind, tailored exactly to your ingredients in this moment. So when you find a recipe you love, you can save it to your personal collection and come back to it at any time.
Or share it with your friends so they can taste your creation too.
Not sure what to cook? Or are you in for a surprise? Try the Randomiser. Select the ingredients you want, spin the rest, and see what surprises Dish Designer serves up. Want to save time? Set up a cooking profile. It remembers your dislikes and diet. Dish Designer creates meals that fit you right here, right now. Are you ready to discover your next meal? Dish Designer, tailored to you, powered by AI.